Yeah, this is Matungulu, Matungulu division. My goodness, this road has no culvert. During Mutua's times, I don't know who worked on this road. That contractor did a shoddy job. No culvert here, and you expect it to be a road. It can never be. Governor Machakos na timu yako, tafadhali come and do something. People can't cross. People are stranded.